Hi friends, this video is about article published in Times of India newspaper dated 29th of June. This article talks about the changing pattern of our monsoon. By listening to this article, you can form your own opinion about the topic about the article. So let's begin. Make a drop count. Southwest monsoon patterns are changing. Implications for farming are huge and worrisome. There is a lull this week in the progress of the southwest monsoon, the most important feature of India's climate. The IMD has forecast a normal monsoon this year after two successive years of bountiful rainfall. The lull is a cause of concern. A little over 50% of India's net sown area is under rain fed farming, and a large part of the irrigated area depends on groundwater extraction through bore wells. Therefore, long term trends in the southwest monsoon overlap with economic security. In this context, a study last year by IMD on monsoon variability over a 30-year period from 1889 to 2018 is a wake up call. UP, Bihar, and West Bengal are three of five states that have shown a significant decreasing trend in the southwest monsoon. Water availability is a national challenge. We have 18% of world's population with just 4% of freshwater resources. This makes public policy of water use an area of far reaching impact. Two trends have overwhelmed most other developments. First, inadequacies in public investment and therefore delivery of surface irrigation projects like canal have led to a rise in groundwater irrigation through bore wells. This has been helped by free electricity for agriculture. Consequently, the share of borewells in irrigation has increased from 1% in 1960-61 to around 64% today. Second, this water use pattern is awfully inefficient. Indian farmers use 2 to 4 times more water than their Chinese counterparts to produce a unit of any major food crop. Seen in the context of IMD's finding that highly populated eastern states are recording dwindling returns from the southwest monsoon, such a farming model is unsustainable. Changes will include rethinking how policies in areas such as electricity are made. Electricity is an input everywhere and it can't be put in a policy silo. A poorly formed power policy can have large negative externalities. Simultaneously, Indian agriculture needs to adopt newer, less water intensive technologies faster. India's water challenge is not insurmountable. It needs a doubling down on efforts such as the ongoing GOI scheme to incentivize the use of micro irrigation measures that use water more efficiently. We need more out of each drop. This piece appeared as an editorial opinion in the print edition of Times of India.